Hello everyone, we are doing the Isaac's Awakening Challenge, which means we can, we got a sword. Yeah, it's the challenge. Got 3.5 damage, let's do this. Spin attack. Our goal is Mother. I just saw that on the side of the screen. So we're like the Forgotten, but we can't switch to Tears. You're stuck as this. I do love just frantically stabbing. As ruthless as that may sound. Face me, cowards! Pill! I'm excited. Where's the boss? Don't care. Dead. Come here, you pieces of... Speed run. Grab. Go. Down. Did we go in the item room? There's no item rooms. That's right. I am the warrior. I'm excited. Thank you, Kenny. Do this. We're gonna spin attack. Can't really hit them from over here. Kind of sucks. So you just gotta kind of spam click her really. Until we get like a tear or something. Or a sword, flaming sword. Peril. There we go, got one. Got the other one. Everything's moving at fast speeds again. Is that because of my excited kill, or? I can reach you, you rat. Gotcha. We can go in the shop because I have the ladder. That's essentially flight. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll pick up the stupid freaking rock and then I'm gonna go chuck it at an enemy. Like that enemy. Or just not that enemy. Who dares to face me? Can I cast? I can't break fires. My power comes limited. Alright. Grab poop. Poop. And then we're gonna throw it at whatever this boss is. I do not care that you are damaging me. Oh, what? Got him. Stapler, and we're going Angel. So we got extra damage on our... Didn't do what I needed to do, which was the... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My angel chance! Come at me, you rats! Well, that worked out. There's where I need to go. Bucket boy! Got him. Don't care about your no leech. Get out my game. A wormwood? More like worm sword. Dude. Wormwood just got shredded. As I am now getting shredded. Fool. What happens if I just go to the mines? The answer is I cannot because I have not gotten what I need to get. I see. The game is very Let's do this. Let's get this knife piece. Got a spin attack. I forgot about that. This is practice for the lost, even though I have no tainted mantle. Tainted mantle. Newest item. Repentance. Sneak up behind. Backstab. Wonder where our item room is gonna be. Hey, I do have Holy Mantle, and I risked it by getting hit. Well, we can leave now. We don't have to be here anymore. I'd like to go back. That gave me a headache. You know what also gave me a headache? Not having any soul hearts. Ayo. Alright. Item room's over there. I thought we didn't have item rooms. We apparently do have item rooms, and I'm just blind. All stats up! Oh yeah! Balls of steel pills go out. I'm liking that. I can get behind it. To the mines! Now that we have the knife piece, it is open. You know what? I thought this run was gonna suck. It still kind of sucks. Just one sword hit, all gone. Can I take damage from getting run over? No. Good to know. Unlock this. Nice. Absolutely useless. We do have enough money for... That item is garbage, to put it frankly. Okay. How do we knock the chest out? We don't, is the answer. Do you like that? We got the halo, that's nice. Got him. Here, have a rock. Chest. Bum. 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 Still an enemy. There you go. Stupid game. I've got the ladder. Oh, it blew up in my hands. That's rude. That's rude. Oh, it's this boss, so I would have gotten a bomb anyways. If I can take out the head, it's dead. Or not. Can I have another one? Thanks. Yeah, this isn't going well. Got a rock. Shredded, my guy. Shredded. Did you see that absolute shredding? Bro, I surfed that board. %, chance for Angel Deal. Let's lose that, boys. Up. Hup. Bet him back. Stay back, evil fiends. Spin. No. Okay, made sure they were gone. Greed. No one likes you, Greed. Get out of my game. Steam sale? Okay, that's fine. I'll accept Steam sale, okay? Oh yeah, that you want to be directly up or down from these guys. Or don't. Or just don't. Gideon. More like Gideon. Stupid. Bro, you got your meat Beyblades? Oh, he just shot a bunch of lava. No. Yo, he just shot more hot lava. That was rude as well. Where's your meat Hot Wheels? Stupid boy Gideon. Got my angel room, baby. Don't know what either of those do. We'll take that. Little Harbingers. Mausoleum store's open. But we need to get the freaking key piece, don't we? Gotcha. So far the challenge has been going pretty decently. I mean, like, I'm not in any imminent danger yet. Bosses have been going pretty okay. I've just beaten them to death a bunch. Let's go. We have normal tiers, which is weird. Don't have the ladder. Probably gonna lose a lot of health here. Do this. Aw, you rat. There's 2 soul hearts there. Just run. Just run. Book it. It's fine. Taking damage is fine. Yes, that's my name. My name is Isaac. Ah! Uh-oh. It's fine. You're stupid. Woo! Oh, I thought that was... Okay, I didn't know that's where it was going. Just move it, lads! Where's the exit? No! Okay. We're alive, we're alive, we're alive. Go. Move it, lads! Oh! Oh my god, we are at half a heart, baby. I am a god at this game, bro. I almost walked over spikes and died. Mausoleum. Mausoleum time. With half a heart, may I mention. Oh, this is not going to go well. Oh, no. Oh, no. They call me the blender. Yeah. This is... Okay.